At the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, the countdown is on for the launch of the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Thousands of members of organized labor are working to make the mission a success.
And the handoff to Atlantis' onboard computers.
Inside NASA TV, technicians from the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers are about to beam the blastoff to millions around the world.
Ready, clock shot.
These are just some of the hundreds of IBEW members working on the ground to make sure the shuttle gets safely into space.
3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. Mission to build, resupply.
When the shuttle goes up, and that feeling that you get inside, butterflies in your stomach.
I hold my breath. It is the greatest feeling in the world to see her fly, and it never gets old.
So many people work so hard for one vehicle to fly. You know, everything has to be just right. The weather, the teamwork, the launch, everything has to mesh together. And to see the launch actually take off after that happens is incredible. There's nothing else like it.
IBEW members have been part of the space program from its earliest days.
America's first space shuttle, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
And part of shuttle missions since the first launch in 1981.
At 12 years old, I decided I wanted to be out here when I came out here with my dad when he worked out here. And he still works out here. It's one of the greatest jobs in the world.
Today, IBEW technicians provide the vital communication links between NASA facilities. They help track the shuttle as it makes its way into space, and they calibrate the hundreds of instruments on board shuttle orbiters.
Most of those jobs are all behind-the-scenes type jobs that a lot of times aren't seen to the general public, but they're very critical in making sure that those hundreds of thousands of measurements that take place during a launch are exactly right on target, so that make sure that launch goes as it should.
We're one big team, and we all have a common goal, and the common goal is to get the shuttle off safely.
I mean, to see those guys go up safely and to return safely, you know, it's like mission accomplished.
But the decades of triumph have also come with tragedy.
Challenger, go at throttle up. Challenger, go at throttle up. Reports from the flight dynamics officer indicate that the vehicle apparently exploded.
Members mourned along with the nation after the loss of the Space Shuttle Challenger and her 7-member crew in 1986. Then mourned again when Shuttle Columbia broke up on re-entry in 2003, killing 7 more of their astronaut colleagues.
That one was very tough. You just kind of dig down really deep and try to put back together, you know, in your mind what the mission is, what we're here to do. And as hard as it is, sometimes you gain strength from catastrophes or things like that. You know, it just refocuses on safety and coming together, working together to get things back the way they should be.
2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of Ares 1.
The space program enters a new era in 2010 when the shuttle fleet is retired and NASA continues work on the Ares rockets that could take the orbiter's place. IBEW members, many uncertain about what the future holds, look back with pride on how far the space program has come and how they helped make America's quest for space a major success.
It takes thousands of people and thousands of hours to put it together just to have, you know, a few seconds of something happen proper.
I try to watch every launch that I can. I'm present, and it's just a thrill just watching it go up and knowing that I'm part of it. I'm part of the very, very few that got to work on such a big, wonderful machine.
It's something a lot of people don't get to do. Only a select few of us get to work out here and be a part of that mission to send people to space.
So much pride in coming to work every day doing things that people dream of doing. You feel like you're part of something really, really special. You can't compare that to anything else on Earth.